Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Paulo, and in this channel I'm going to be sharing with you tips on productivity, tips on personal finances. I'm going to be sharing with you the things that I'm learning from the books that I'm reading. So the main idea here is to share with you my journey as I grow as a person in this thing called life. So that's pretty much it, right? So what inspired me to start this channel was this idea that I want to become a well-rounded person. Yes, what does that really mean? It's kind of a strange thing, really. Well-rounded person. Well, a well-rounded person to me is someone who is more like a Renaissance person or man. The idea is simple. So a well-rounded person, just like a Renaissance man or person, is someone who is not just one-dimensional, meaning this person has a multitude of dimensions. This person understands that growth is the ultimate goal. In any way you want to look at it, growth is the ultimate goal in life. So if that is true, that means this person also has to understand that he or she must continuously learn things, right? There's no destination of saying, hey, there we go, I've learned everything in life. That's never going to happen. But understanding also that it is the process of learning, that's the journey, that is the most exciting part about all of this that we call life. All right, so that is the idea of this channel. So I'm going to be sharing with you my trajectory, my journey as I learn things as well. And hopefully you're going to be getting a lot of value out of the journey that I'm going to be sharing with you. So if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way, every time that I post a new video, such as like this, you're going to be notified to watch the video. If anything, you are going to be entertained in this channel because, as you can see, I've got a great personality. I'm funny and I'm good looking. It's kind of questionable, but most of all, we're going to have a lot of fun. Okay? All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.